Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name, as you guys all know, is Sienna. Today we will be customizing side one of the long-awaited Rubik's Cube. These are my current ideas as I wanted it to fit in more with my desk accessories. I really liked Sanrio characters, so I decided to do those. But first we have to find some references. Can you guess which characters we are doing today? You will see later. Also, sorry again for using AI voices. Hope you guys understand. I started by putting many layers of white paint to make a thicker layer. Then I began to sketch out my design. I hated it at first, so I decided to start over a bit. Let's cover it up. Looks ugly as hell. Okay, this new design seems fine. Let's put more detail on the sides. I think it looks okay so far. We will see later if suddenly it gets ruined. I keep repainting over top because I really dislike the design. Now time to paint the actual drawing. I started with a few layers of pink. In the meantime, how has your day been going? I hope you take good care of yourself. Please remember to like and subscribe if you would like to see more. I don't really like it right now, but I don't have a choice except to finish it. I skipped a small part, so I'll tell you what I did. I just outlined some things with a dark pink and cleaned some edges up. Time to paint more white because I hate the design once again. Okay, this time we go in with a richer paint to fill in the voids and make it pop out more. It looks way better than before now. Now I go in with a black outline using paint and Sharpie. The pink blended in too much with the background, so I wanted some contrast. This gave the best contrast needed. What do you guys think about it right now? It's not bad, right? I want to make each side based on a different character and color, like how my melody is linked with pink. So that way you can still solve the cube. I skipped a bit, but it wasn't much. I added a confetti background, so each square had a bit of pink to differentiate it from other sides. As you can see, the black outline smudged a lot with the paint. Time to try and fix it. I'm happy with the end result. I hope you guys are happy with it too. So this is the end. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Help me build my